Hello guys, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, whatever your time is maybe. This is Lyle. My goal with this presentation is to explore a scenario to integrate existing medical systems while considering cybersecurity frameworks, regulatory requirements, organizational priorities, and privacy principles integrating with medical systems for patient care for a medical hospital. With this slide, the goal is to align with cybersecurity frameworks that the hospital can establish with a strong foundation for securing patient data and ensuring the confidentiality, integrity, and availability of medical records. In the realm of cybersecurity, the NIST and the ISO 27701 are the two internationally recognized standards. The medical hospital should align its integration efforts with both frameworks to ensure robust security, to ensure appropriate compliance of sheltered laws, regulations, and governance. In aligning with the cybersecurity frameworks, we consider the coverage and applicability, the flexibility, and the integration in terms of regulatory requirements. Healthcare organizations like Augusta Medical Hospital is subject to various regulatory requirements to safeguard patient information. In the United States, the Health Insurance Portability and Accountability Act is a critical regulation. Another significant regulatory requirements for a hospital or a medical center would be the HITECH Act, which is a federal law enacted in 2009 to promote the adoption and meaningful use of health information technology. With this slide, the organizational priorities and business needs are put into consideration. Patient empowerment and radiology department support must be implemented appropriately. The Chief Experience Officer, the Chief Information Officer, and the Chief Medical Officer have their own role and their significance, their distinct responsibilities, contributions, and work example. Identifying and managing cybersecurity risks is paramount in healthcare. Threats may include malicious actors attempting to access patient records, while vulnerabilities could be outdated software or inadequate access control. And to mitigate this risk, the hospital should implement a robust cybersecurity strategy, including regular security assessment, employee training, and encryption of sensitive data. With this slide, threats, vulnerabilities, and management strategies are explained further to properly identify which one is which in implementing a security control in the organization. Privacy is a fundamental concern in healthcare, and it goes hand in hand with data collection, disclosure, and retention. An example scenario would be the hospital follows principles such as informed consent and data minimization when collecting the patient's information. They implement a robust encryption and access controls to safeguard this data, ensuring that only authorized employee or personnel can access the patient's record. In terms of legality and regulatory impact, there has to be a continuous monitoring of regulations and legal compliance that is updated. The legal and regulatory standards such as the HIPAA, GPDR, and HITECH have a profound impact on the integration of medical systems. Non-compliance can lead to severe penalties and reputational damage. As an example, the hospital should continuously monitor changes in their healthcare regulation and updates their systems accordingly. It is pertinent to collaborate with legal advisors to ensure that the organization remains compliant with evolving standards, mitigating potential legal risk. The four areas that needs to be considered is the data security, the privacy protection, the breach response, and the legal consequence. In conclusion, legal and regulatory standards are essential components of healthcare. They guide organizations in safeguarding patient data, ensuring privacy, and responding effectively to cyber attacks and data breaches. Complying with these standards is not a legal requirement, but also vital for maintaining trust and delivering high quality patient care. This slide are some of the source references of these informations. Thank you for watching, and I wish you learned something new from this presentation.